quick video on how to increase PHP memory limit with HostEasy. Open HostEasy.in and click Login, enter your username and password, log into your account. Navigate to your orders by clicking on the More button or by selecting Orders and My Invoices from the menu. Click on Manage Hosting and then choose Other Requests from the available options. From the dialog box that appears, select PHP Memory Limit. Enter the desired memory limit value and click Submit. This is an automated process, and updates regarding your request will be sent to your registered email address.